Hello and welcome to my channel. Welcome to the challenge, or somewhat learning MVim every day. Let's do a quick short continuing from the lessons that we just left the other day. MVim okay. So last time we have I did a tweak so you can read easily my screen. Last time we learned how to move on the line with W, B, E, 0, $, and so on and so forth. So as you remember basic motions, J down, L right, H left, K up, and the other symbols. So let's go to the next lesson. Again, if you want to just check something else, you can use my video on tutorial on how to install this plugin, but you can follow along. Okay, so practice word and line motions here. So more just basic stuff. So let's jump through the end of the word with E, 0 to the beginning of the page, W, 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 B, 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 B. Let's go to the next lesson. Okay, it's a different one. So we have this file wide navigation, and it helps you with the jumps. So you have double G to go to the bottom of the file, G, GG, so good game, to go to the top of the file, G to go to the bottom of the file, Control F, page. So the basic pagination. May use H to the top, may use M to the middle, L to the bottom. So that's pretty interesting. You can continue reading about pagination and all the three things, but by now let's practice. So let's do may use G. So we go to the bottom of the file. So GG will bring us to the top of the file. Let's paginate with Control F. Okay, pretty good. Control V, so to go backwards again, front. So, and let's go H to go to the top of the screen, M middle of the screen, and finally L to the end of the screen. So this is very useful. So let's say you are like in this line and you want to go to the first line, and you have like a whole column thing, you can go easily to that. So I think if just an advanced trick, if we go to visual mode, and I hope it works, and we press L, we could select all the text. So that's pretty good learning too. So let's go to the next exercise. Learning next again. So let's do the GG so we can check. Not an issue. Then next. So this is just more practice on this. Contents. I mean, let's go to the next lesson. So let's go to module 1. So after basic navigation is covered, we can check. So just a little introduction to Vim, on new Vim in this case. We have two modes, normal mode where we do actions like navigating, deleting, and copying, manipulating text, and so on. And we have insert mode, where usually you come from other editors, and it's the one that allows you to write into the thing. So as you can see, we have delete word, change inside parentheses, and so on and so forth. So what we are going to learn here is just a little bit of these things. So it says no exercise, but we can do something using the information on the outside. So it goes $sign to go to the 0 to go to the beginning of the line. So it says that X deletes a character. Oh, because this is unmodifiable. Okay. W, but if we use DD, no, we cannot make change this. So this is a modified lesson. Very good. Learn bin next. Learn bin next. Okay. So it's telling us how to change mode. So I guess that what it means that I press. If we press I, we are in insert mode, so we can write. So let's write whatever we want to write. Column. So if we press escape, as you see, if you see the bottom of the screen and I press I, it says insert. If I press escape, it won't say anything, but you see that the cursor changes. So we can alternate this with I, X, and escape. So let's do what it suggested last time. Pressing X, it will delete the characters, so we can delete whatever we want, like backwards. And if we press U, we can reverse whatever we did some time ago. Pretty good. So that should done all for today's lesson. Pretty quick one. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment and let's wait for the next lesson. Just little by little we will learn a lot of being together.